Hey guys, I just wanted to go over the vertical line test. Basically, you're asking a question, is it a function? If you take a look at this graph here, and if I just draw a bunch of vertical lines, how many times does it go through that yellow line? Well, here it only goes through once, goes through once, goes through once, goes through once. That would be the technical term 1-to-1, 1x to 1y. So yes, it is a function because it passes the vertical line test. But what happens if it fails? So let's do the same thing over here. Now on the edge here, it might go through 1, so it passes here, but right here with the red dots, red for no, it fails the vertical line test. Why does it fail the vertical line test? Because basically it's not 1-to-1. You're going to have the same x value, but different y values. No, it is not a function because it fails the vertical line test. Let's go through a bunch of examples here. Of the three graphs shown below, which one is not a function? So do the same thing, just randomly put any vertical line. They also call this the pencil test. You can actually put your pencil down on it. So only 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here. So this one passes. Let's take a look at this one here. Same thing, 1 point. This one also passes. Okay, here, this passes, but at the red for no, this one fails. It fails the vertical line test because it's not 1-to-1. There's more than 1 point, if that makes sense. The vertical line goes to the graph in more than one place. So this one would be a no. Let's try some more examples here. Are these functions here? Again, you already see the answers, but draw some points here. Okay. So here, passes, passes, and it passes. So this one is a function because it passes the vertical line test. It's 1-to-1. Let's go ahead and try this one over here. At this point here, you'll notice that it's actually going through 2 points. Why do I say 2 points? Because it's going through the blue graph on the top. Let's just try to change colors. That might help. So this is blue, and then we'll call this one let's call this one purple. So essentially what it is going through the both blue and the purple. So this one would fail. Okay, and to do the next problem, this is both a closed circle on both the blue and the purple. Okay, look over here on this example. This one is a function because here, that's 1 point, so it passes. Now you might say, well, here and here. But this open circle here means doesn't include. Don't include. This would be something like x is greater than 0, but you don't include 0. This one is an include, right? You can drive if you are 16 years or older. That would be the closed circle. The don't include would be something like an example such as you need to be 18 years or over. You have to be 18, not 17 and 11 months, but not including that point. Maybe another one is like speed limits, right? 65 miles per hour. You don't include 65. 65 is okay, but if you're greater than 65, then you're going speeding. So this would be again, this one would be a function. Because again, on that point, it's one closed, one open, so that is a function. So 3 examples of vertical line test.